Google just launched Nano Banana Pro, and despite the ridiculous name, it's one of the biggest jumps in AI image generation we've seen all year. Higher res 2K and 4K images, sharper text rendering, pro-level editing controls, and it can even search the web before generating an image. This isn't a small update. It's Google signaling that image models are becoming real creative tools, not toys. Before we go deeper, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment so you don't miss future breakdowns. Nano Banana Pro is powered by Google's new Gemini 3 model, and the improvements over the original are obvious. You now get control over camera angles, lighting, depth of field, focus, and color grading. It handles multiple fonts and languages, blends up to 14 objects, uses 6 high-fidelity reference shots, and can keep resemblance consistent for up to 5 people. For creators and marketing teams, that kind of precision changes what's possible. And the resolution jump is massive. The old model capped out at 1024 by 1024. Nano Banana Pro now outputs 2K and 4K, but you're paying for it. The original cost about 4 cents per image. Nano Banana Pro runs 14 cents for 2K and 24 cents for 4K. Quality isn't going to be cheap anymore, and Google's basically saying, if you want pro-grade assets, expect pro-grade pricing. The rollout is big too. The Gemini app now uses it by default, though free users get a limited number of generations. AI, Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers get higher limits, and the model is coming to Notebook LM, Search, Flow, Slides, and Vids. Developers can start using it through the Gemini API, AI Studio, and Google's new anti-gravity IDE. Google is also embedding Synth ID into the Gemini app, so you can upload an image and see whether it was generated or modified by Google's models. And soon they'll add C2PA support for even stronger authenticity checks. If you want to keep sharpening your AI edge, watch the related video that just popped up in the corner. And if you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and let me know in the comments what you want covered next. Don't just watch the AI wave, use it.